Hi guys, in the favour of my new channel, Tom Wood Rails, I am holding a contest. What you got to do is make a really good Thomas Wooden Railway track, like so. Needs to include at least one landmark, like the water tower or roundhouse. And it has to have a road and at least one switch. Have all of those included and you stand a chance to win first place, 2 subscriptions, 2 5-star ratings on your videos and 5 nice comments. Second place, 1 subscription, 1 5-star video rating and 1 nice comment. And in last place, you get 1 nice comment and a subscription. So, stand a chance of winning these prizes simply by posting a Thomas Wooden Railway in the video responses and, well, stand a chance of winning.